Are there different types of alimony in Massachusetts? You betcha. Massachusetts recognizes 4 types: general term alimony, rehabilitative alimony, reimbursement, and transitional. The type that applies to your case controls how long support may last and whether it can ever be changed. General term alimony, I think this is probably the most common one, is the ongoing support that most people picture, and it's tied to the length of your marriage. Rehabilitative alimony is short-term help while one of the spouses gets on their feet, finishing a degree maybe, completing some sort of training, re-entering the workforce. It's like a short-term little boost. And it's capped at 5 years under Massachusetts law. Reimbursement alimony is narrower. It actually repays a spouse who financially supported the other through something like school during a short marriage of 5 years or less, maybe. And because it's a repayment, it can't be modified later. Transitional alimony, also typically for marriages of 5 years or less, helps a spouse adjust to maybe a new home or a new life after divorce and is usually capped at 3 years. So most cases that involve alimony involve general term alimony, the first one I talked about. So if you remember one out of these 4, I would say probably remember the first one. Okay, so you haven't earned a paycheck since 2007. You raised 3 kids while his salary climbed to 6 figures or over. And when the marriage ended after 19 years, you were sure you'd walk away with nothing. But 19 years and that income gap puts you squarely in general term alimony, the exact type built for the spouse who gave up a career for their family. The kind of alimony you get isn't about whose name was on the paycheck. It's really about the life that you built. This video is general legal information, not legal advice. Every situation's different, including yours. And if you're going through this, please, please speak with a family law attorney about your specific case. So why I do this? I really want to take a second before you go because I think about the people watching these videos probably more than you realize I do. If you found this channel, something about your life is likely in transition. Maybe it's your marriage, maybe it's your kids, maybe it's just trying to figure out how to protect what you've built for the people that you love. And I know that at this moment you're searching for answers. The last thing that you need is more confusion. I get this. More legal jargon, more people talking at you instead of to you, with you, for you. That's why I built this channel, to give you real answers in plain English before you ever have to call anyone. Here's what I want for you specifically. I want you to walk away from every video feeling like you understand your situation a little bit better than you did before. Not overwhelmed, but informed. Not scared, but maybe ready. Because here's what I've learned after years of doing this work. Most people going through family law situations are not dealing with something impossible, even though, trust me, I know it feels that way. What makes it feel impossible is not knowing what comes next. What this channel is for is exactly for that. So when you do sit down with an attorney, whether it's me or somebody else, you walk in knowing the right questions to ask. You walk in understanding some of your options. You walk in like someone who already has some footing. That is what you deserve. And that is why I am here to help you. The next step. If today's video answered even one question that you've been carrying around, that's enough. Take it and use it. And if your situation needs more than a video can give, my office is just one call or one click away. We sit down with people really every day who are exactly where you are now. ready to move forward and just needing someone to help them see some sort of path forward. The link is in the description. I really hope I hear from you. I'm attorney Lindsey Egan, and I am here to help you.